Hey, factory rat. I always appreciate his comments. Probably one of the better, most. I think of him when I think of this. I think of him, or think of him when I look at this. I don't know if he's ever saw this truck, but when I first seen his channel, I thought of this one. Something I created out of the old Junkyard Dog, the cab. You probably still see the dents in it. I don't know if you take it outside and show it, but I'm gonna wash it off today. Brush it off, maybe. I feel bad. I don't know if it didn't come clean. See those bolts? The holes that bar on? I put those on there, all four of those. I cut them off something else, slid them off. Cut them off, sliced them off, I guess. And I glued them on. That's just C-channel stock. It's evergreen. Those things. Those bolts and nuts there, I can't remember what I sliced them off of. You know, evergreen C-channel. I cut the angles there and I angled them back. The little piece of diamond plate there is back of a Coca-Cola, Ford C6 Louisville in the back. That's the DM600 fenders. That's the R600, of course. Yep, it's the original Junkyard Dog windshield too, huh? See that? A rare windshield. I didn't put them cracks in there. That came from the factory. Yep. AMT got big trouble. They couldn't make any Mac models anymore after that. See that dent in the door? I didn't put that in there. AMT did. It was all fine and dandy until it made such horrible frickin' artwork. The paper, just artwork on the instructions look really, really cool. Because it looked like this, like it still worked and operated. Then when he came out with the box art, somebody at the factory or whatever, like, oh, that doesn't look junky enough. Let's take a cigarette lighter and melt the axles and make it look all bent down, like it's broke down and doesn't work anymore. Yep. And this side, and the axle got bent over. Then the heat went up on the fender. You could see it in the box art. I'll show you maybe. Different video or something. And then the molded in orange plastic got melted. It's all black. Underneath the door on this side too. Not this one, but the one they got in the box art that they made. Whatever artist. Got burnt, melted, all got warped and peeling up. It's so fucking ugly. Oh my god. And it's like, who in the hell did they hire to do box art? Seriously. Unbelievable. Fucking child. God. I did this when I was, I don't know. I did this, the Junkyard Dog kit here, when I was a kid. And that's not going to focus, is it? And just the cab alone is when I was a kid. I was a young child when I did it. Missing the gas tank on our side. I got parts to put on it yet. It's been in storage in boxes being knocked around. In my storage for years. Well, actually, not, well, a couple years now, yeah. I had it in my apartment set up. R600 fenders. Now inside, this comes up to the bodies over to the side. It's an offset cab. I didn't want to wipe too hard. I didn't want the decals to wipe off. It's old. I don't know where they came from. That spit running off his mouth and teeth and stuff. And that there's purplish in there. That's why that maroonness, whatever. That's why I used it with that cab. I originally made that cab when I was a kid. I painted it that maroon, and of course with the Junkyard Dogness back in those days. Oh, you know, wanted to make it look kind of trashy, junky. So that's why I did the decals like that on the doors. Oh, this other side was better. Oh yeah, turn it around again. Engine. I got to put something on top yet, I think. I'm not sure if that's the way it comes normally. It's out of a, what is it, a Studebaker? No, I don't know. Big old 30s car, V12. But yeah, that was a Sonico and something else, and how it changed hands, you know. Universal Construction. The Universal Construction was way out when I was a kid yet. They need something new, man. Their Universal's been used out. I'm so tired. I'm not feeling good. I've been not feeling good at all. My Crohn's disease is so bad. I'm so plugged up lately.